Beauty professionals from across the country gathered with one common goal: to learn, grow, and elevate their craft. Leading the conversation was the Doux, bringing education, innovation, and expertise directly to the stage.
What is up, you guys? We are here at the Doux booth. We're here with Ashley. I'm actually so excited to see her because I've seen her on Instagram. She's amazing. She's even more amazing in person.
From live demonstrations to hands-on product education, attendees had the opportunity to experience firsthand how science, creativity, and culture come together to create exceptional results for textured hair.
I'm gonna do like a combo style. So I'm gonna give her either some braids or some twists, and then I'm gonna define her curl.
Every session was filled with practical techniques, professional insights, and real-world applications designed to help stylists build confidence behind the chair and deliver results their clients will love. From defining curls and enhancing natural texture to maximizing product performance, the Doux shared the tools and knowledge needed to transform everyday styling into an elevated experience. But beyond the products, it was about community, a space where professionals connected, exchanged ideas, and invested in their growth alongside some of the industry's most respected educators. Because great stylists never stop learning, and great brands never stop inspiring. This was more than a class, more than a demonstration. This was education, innovation, and artistry in motion. This was the Doux at Premier Orlando.
The way that we perform really does make a difference. We want to be everywhere that you are, everywhere your customer is. So thank you very much.